It was a cool start to the weekend over parts of eastern South Africa as lots of moisture is in circulation over the area, bringing cloudy skies as well as a few passing showers. Over the western parts, on the other hand, it was a sunny Saturday with temperatures rising across the area. Now, moisture is going to continue streaming in over the far eastern parts of the country on Sunday thanks to a low-pressure system moving down the coast of Mozambique. Along with that, cloudy weather as well as wet conditions continuing for much of the region, while on the high veld, there's a chance of thunder showers once again. In the west, temperatures will be rising and a much warmer day is forecast for the eastern and western Cape. 3 alerts have been issued by the South African Weather Service. The first is for extremely uncomfortable conditions over the central and Little Karoo of the Western Cape. The second is also for the Little Karoo with a high fire danger expected across that area on Sunday. And the third and final alert is a watch for the likelihood of heavy rain once again over the low veld and the adjacent escarpment and into northeastern KwaZulu-Natal. Cloudy across much of KZN on Sunday, wet weather especially in the northeast with up to an 80% chance of showers, isolated elsewhere across the province, and there's even a chance of a few thunder showers for Ladysmith and Newcastle. Thunderstorms possible for Elliot as well as Queenstown. Elsewhere across the Eastern Cape, it's going to be a warm to hot day, no rain in the forecast, but very high temperatures expected over the western interior. Oudtshoorn reaches 40 degrees in the afternoon of Sunday. Sunny along the south coast with temperatures between 29 and 30 degrees, while the Breda River Valley is expected to see very high temperatures. Near the coastline of the Western Cape, temperatures will be somewhat cooler. 23 is the high for Alexander Bay. There's a likelihood of fog, especially in the evening hours. Moving inland over the Northern Cape, 40 degrees for Uppington and Prieska. Lots of sunshine expected. Partly cloudy over the Free State. We're likely to see a few thunder showers and showers into Bethlehem and Harrismith. Dry over the northwest province for Vryburg, Mahikeng and Klerksdorp, but isolated thunder showers are possible over the eastern parts of that province. Another mainly cloudy day in the forecast for Limpopo, with showers expected across much of the area, especially over the eastern parts for the low veld and the escarpment area. Skukuza reaches 29 in Mpumalanga, and on the high veld, it'll be quite cool once again, 22 for Ermelo and eMakhazeni. Partly cloudy and warm with isolated thunder showers in Gauteng. A cool start to the day for Johannesburg and Soweto, both at 13 degrees. Strong northeasterly winds are forecast for East London up to 50 kilometers per hour, while we see southwesterly winds along the west coast of the country between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour. Another very hot day over the western interior of the country on Monday. Showers and thunder showers continuing in the northeast, particularly wet in the low veld once again. And very little changes on Tuesday in Mbombela, 27, cloudy and wet, and the wet weather returns to Durban and Richards Bay.